Hey there, I'm Orlando from Binance, and today we're going to explore the new era of trading with stocks on Binance. You see, one of the biggest frustrations with investing across crypto and stocks isn't finding opportunities, it's the money movement. For years, users often had to choose between crypto-first platforms and stock-first brokerages. Right now, if you're holding liquidity in crypto and you want to trade stocks, you usually have to do something like this. Firstly, you sell or off-ramp your crypto, move funds to a bank account. Then you have to wait for processing, go to a separate broker, on-ramp again, and only then can you place a stock trade. It's slow, it's fragmented, and it breaks your flow. But what if you could now use your liquidity within the crypto space to access stocks directly inside Binance? That's exactly what this major update is about, stocks trading on Binance. But before we begin, please take note that the products and services mentioned here may not be available in your region. Please refer to the Binance website for the most current information. Binance is expanding its product offerings from crypto to include TradFi instruments such as stocks, otherwise known as equities, and ETFs. Binance is also the first crypto exchange that offers US equities globally under an ADGM license, which allows you to gain access to a more structured, regulated way to trade these securities with clear product terms and risk disclosures. Here's what makes it powerful. It's universal and accessible. You can trade 24/5 from many regions around the world, and it's affordable. You can buy fractional shares from as low as $5 with some of the lowest fees, so you don't need to buy a full share to get started. Stocks trading comes with $0 commission fees. A minimum platform fee of 35 cents per order applies, and for orders above $350, platform fees are waived, and instead, a 0.1% spread is applied. And this is the big one for crypto users, stablecoin to stock trading pairs. You can trade stocks using supported crypto like USDC, USDT, U, BNB, and USD1. But here's the important detail. We only support stablecoin to stock pair trades, and all trades are executed in USDC. So if you choose another supported asset, it will be converted to USDC first before the trade is made. And finally, beyond stocks and ETFs, Binance also offers Fully Paid Securities Lending, or FPSL. FPSL lets eligible users earn additional income by lending securities they own via Binance's clearing broker partner, Alpaca. If your shares are successfully lent, you can receive monthly payments while still maintaining beneficial ownership. Just note, proxy voting rights are not retained when stocks are loaned out under FPSL. Please note that income is not guaranteed and depends on lending activity. There are also eligibility requirements to participate in fully paid securities lending. You'll need to meet at least one of these criteria: an account balance of $2,500 or $20,000 in reported income, or $20,000 in liquid assets, or at least 1 year of trading experience. All right, now let me show you how to actually buy a stock step by step. Before you begin, please ensure that you have completed the Binance identity verification. You can check the video on how to get verified by clicking on the top right corner of this video or in the description box to get started. First, open your Binance app and log in. On the bottom navigation bar, tap Trade. Next, tap the stock drop-down here and select the stock you want to trade. For example, NVIDIA. Now, choose your order type. Tap Markets here and select Market or Limit.
Now, these are direct stocks, so there is, of course, the opening and the closing market bell to consider. We have official trading hours and then also official trading orders. Now, let's start with market orders. Market orders execute at the current market price, but only during the regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Limit orders lets you set your own buy and sell price and can remain active depending on the session and the duration selected. From these, you can choose a day, which expires at the end of the trading day, GTC, or good till cancelled, which can remain active for up to 90 days. And here's where it gets a little bit more flexible. Depending on the stock, Binance supports different trading sessions, including regular trading hours, extended trading hours, and for selected names, 24-hour trading across weekdays. So for some stocks and some users, they can trade in a much broader window than the traditional market-only experience.
Next, choose what you want to trade with. Tap here and select USDC. Now, enter the amount you want to trade, for example, 500 USDC, then tap Preview. Before you can proceed, read the security trading product terms. Tick the box to accept the terms, then tap Confirm. Now, review the order details. If everything looks correct, tap Buy NVIDIA to place your trade. And that's it. You've just used your crypto liquidity to access stocks, all inside Binance. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.